Trying to take the PCV valve out.
Don't break it.
I'm trying my best not to. Go put that right there. Oh yeah, that sounds bad.
I don't hear that bad.
See how it sounds gummed up? Not gummed up at all.
Hey Daddy.
Hey Woody.
It says no put their hands in there.
Yeah, don't put your hands in there.
Like for grown-ups or kids. If it isn't wanting, you can.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Those are different, right?
Yeah.
So, oh wait, it's right here, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty boring out here. What else I get to do for you, Dad?
Well, right now we're gonna replace a blow-off valve.
Oh, please, I help with that.
You are helping.
Where is it?
This one's way back here.
Where's the other one?
The other one's right here.
I'm going to do this one.
Right now, Daddy's gonna put that right there. It's out of the way. He's actually,
I'm going to do this one, Daddy.
That is a 8.
Like closer. If you would come to.
That one done. Look at that. Gasket failed. That's probably where the boost leak is coming from. These are identical parts. Dorman. So I'm not concerned at all about part compatibility issue. Alright. Move, move, move.
This one's for mine, Daddy. Oh.
Alright, actually I think I just got it. I just got it, bud. Alright, you want to come here and help?
Yeah.
You're going to do this one. So, first things first, we're going to press back here.
Back here.
We'll press down, and then we're going to pull this out. Disconnect it. And then, we got 2 bolts. One right here, one right here.
And I'm going to glue them out.
You're going to
drill them out.
Yep. I'll let you get the top one. Okay, more? Good.
That's pretty fun. Hot here.
Yeah.
Oh, I can do that one for you.
No, I got it. Thank you. Oh, fudge. Okay.
Got it?
Yep, got it. With that 10 loose, you can get this out.
Oh, dirty.
Yeah. Okay, hold this.
Stop.
Oh, there's a whole lot of oil coming there. Okay. This one wasn't in that bad of a condition, it looks like. Or wait, no, that's the one with the blown seal. That one has a pinched one. So it was on its way out. That one was more than likely leaking. Getting a new one. I think my PCV valve was stuck or clogged or just not functioning properly and was dumping oil vapor into the pipe here, caused the rear blow-off valve to go bad. These are only like 50 bucks, so I went ahead and just replaced it. Okay, let's get... We'll take it for a test drive after this. I might have to clear some codes, so I'll take the computer with me. If you guys haven't already, get a hose clamp for this hose right here. It likes to pop off when you build boost. I'm also going to check the catch can while we're here. We have the hood open. We're not going to torque it down a lot, which is going to get it done. There we go. That one got a click. The other one I didn't get a click, but it's firmly in there for sure. Well, that was loose. It's been 2,000-3,000 miles since I emptied the catch can, so let's see how bad it's full. Oh boy.
What, Daddy?
It's pretty full. Yeah, the catch can's pretty full.
I want to see.
Uh-oh.
Daddy.
No. Wait.
Where the catch
That better
can?
not be coolant.
I know it's going to flood.
I'm gonna have to look up that. Engine's not up to temp, but coolant level looks fine. It's not milky there. I wonder if that was just residue from... Smells fine. I have no clue why that was milky. That scares the shit out of me though. Look at that. That scares the shit out of me, guys. It smells like gas. Yeah. I think a PCV valve was definitely bad. Okay. Everything's buttoned up. Clip, 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 clip. Oh, I better put that cap back on before I forget about it. So that's a reminder to check your catch cans, guys. I'm almost tempted to get a bigger one. Oh. Because this is still daily driven. It's holding.
What about Napa?
Yeah,
That didn't sound good.
yeah, that didn't work.
Daddy, do that again.
What does it sound like? Whirring. Like a turbo?
Yeah, it just immediately dumps it.
What?
On the blow-off valves, the gaskets were like torn, so like, because I thought on that first acceleration it wasn't that great, so like, so it's something else.
No, what? Don't do it again. No. No, what? Don't do it again. No.
Any boost it builds, it dumps it. Interesting. Well, crap, that didn't work. Fudge.